Hey, what's up, guys? If you're tired of hearing vague advice like just post content or start a side hustle, if you're done feeling like everyone else is succeeding while you're stuck grinding for attention that doesn't convert, then this video will be the one that finally is going to show you how to go from $0 to $10,000 as a beginner without needing funnels, without viral dances, or without needing a huge audience. Let me show you exactly how I do it step by step if I had to start over today. Now, let me be real with you. When I started online, I was completely lost. I had no tools. I had a couple of ideas, but I had no real plan, okay? I'd post videos hoping something would, maybe go viral. I followed every guru telling me to make the reels, the shorts, the TikToks, SEO content for blogs. And you know what? I ended up just completely tired because none of them actually told me the truth. Now, most people fail because they never create something that actually lasts. It's not content, not offers, not strategy, just reaction after reaction. That was me. Until one day I made $7 PDF and sold a few copies from a YouTube video that really only got 53 views. Now, that moment changed everything in my mindset. Not because I got rich off of it, but because I realized it actually works. Okay, now it's small, it's simple, and it's totally scalable. And today I want to walk you through the exact path I'd take again if I had to make my first $10,000 online as a complete beginner in a way that actually builds long-term leverage. Now, the first thing that you need to know is this. You're not going to go viral, okay? You're here to get paid. So let's stop chasing attention and start building some assets. Your income online will always be tied to how quickly you can actually deliver value to somebody else, and how easily you can make it for them to actually say yes to buying your thing. So if you're stuck thinking, I need a big audience first, completely let that go. What you need is a product, just a small one, and a platform that will give you consistent exposure. That's it. And the best way to do that right now, especially in 2025, is with a simple digital product and some free traffic from YouTube. But not just any videos, not shorts, not dancing, long-form evergreen content. And let me explain why. Start by solving one small specific problem. Don't build a full course. What you want to do is make a short PDF like a checklist or a swipe file that gets someone a quick win. Here are 3 examples that I would possibly start with. How I got my first 100 leads on Facebook for free, 3 emails that made me my first sale, or the beginner YouTube setup blueprint for under $100. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use some free tools like ChatGPT to help you write the content. You can use Canva to design it, or you can use like Systemi.io to host and deliver it. It's a free funnel builder. Now, you don't need any fancy tech. You need a fast, clear win. Now, once it's made, what you're going to want to do is price it between $5 and $19. If it's cheap enough, it's going to be able to be purchased easier on impulse. Now, valuable enough to feel premium is what you want it at. This is exactly what I teach in my PDF Profits workshop. The link's below if you want to help shortcut the whole thing. Now, what you need is traffic. And this is where most people completely blow it. What they're doing is they're chasing TikTok virality, or they completely burn out on IG reels that die out in 12 hours. But YouTube's algorithm is different, okay? The entire goal with YouTube is to create returning viewers who want to watch ads, okay? This is what YouTube's goal is, which means that your videos live longer, get pushed more over time, and that what they do is they compound like passive income. Now, here's what I would do. I would pick a keyword-driven topic like how to start affiliate marketing without paid ads, and record a 6 to 10 minute video showing real steps like this video. Mention your PDF product naturally, not salesy. Upload 1 video per week at minimum, daily if you want to really grow fast. And then you're going to want to use end screens to direct your next video or product page, and then watch what happens. Your video won't explode day 1, but guess what? 30 days later, it might be getting more views than the day you actually uploaded it. And the reason is because YouTube keeps pushing content that retains attention. Now, let me give you a back-end strategy that no one else is going to teach you. Use the keyword push method. Now, most creators stuff tags and hope. That doesn't work anymore. Here's what does work. Put your main keyword in the title, use it naturally in the description, and say it in your script so that it shows up for the transcript. For example, instead of saying this video, what you want to say is, in this video, for brand new affiliate marketers, learn how to make $10,000 online in the first 3 months, something like that. And what happens is that YouTube scans the transcript. The more it sees the actual keyword, the more it knows who to show the video to. Also, don't get banned. If your video gets flagged or copyright, reused content, or low value, you're done. Shadow banned. Avoid reusing other people's B-roll. Avoid copyrighted music or breaking community guidelines. What you want to do is be original, be clear, and be consistent. What YouTube rewards is clean, compliant creators. Now, you're going to notice the biggest creators never mess with sketchy clips. It's because they know better. Now, let's bring all of this together. What you're going to want to do is create your micro product, post your value-based YouTube videos. You're going to optimize your titles and descriptions and transcripts. Mention your product casually in every single video. And then what you're going to do is layer in affiliate tools like funnel builders, AI tools, and there's so many out there. Now, as people opt in, you build an email list over time using free lead magnets, promote higher ticket products later or your own course or mentorship. Now, imagine this. You've got 10 videos up. Now, each video just gets about 50 views. That's 500 people seeing your offer every single day. If 1% only buy your $9 offer, that equals $45 a day. That's about $1,350 a month from 10 simple videos. And your videos keep compounding. That is the power of leveraged long-form traffic. It works while you sleep, while you grow, and while you create new things. Now, most beginners don't fail because of bad content. They fail because they give up before compounding kicks in, and maybe because it's bad content. They post for 2 weeks, they get no sales, so they end up switching strategies, going from product to product, different strategy to different strategy, and they get stuck in this loop. They try to go viral, they burn out, they completely quit. Now, what you need is a system and a clear path that makes your first $10,000 actually feel doable. So don't aim to be famous. What you want to do is aim to be consistent, aim to help people, aim to build something small that lasts. That's really the big difference between creators who make real and those who just make content. Now, if this resonated with you, and if you're tired of spinning your wheels and finally want a simple, proven system to create your first product and sell it with free traffic, go ahead and download my evergreen YouTube traffic blueprint below. It's completely free, or you can skip the line and jump right into my PDF Profits workshop, where I walk through step-by-step launching your first digital product in a weekend. You don't need a brand. What you don't need is a studio either. You don't even need a big idea. What you need is a simple product, a strategy that scales, and a platform like YouTube that works for you instead of against you. So let's go ahead and build something real.